What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at XRP, as XRP is actually tumbling down along with the entire crypto market, but XRP in particular is looking quite interesting, and we're going to go through why. Now, the entire crypto market is dumping, Bitcoin being down 2.4%, obviously with Bitcoin dominance still performing too bullishly, which is negative for all altcoins. That's resulted in all of the altcoins essentially falling 2x of what Bitcoin has done, and some even 3x, like API 3 and a few meme coins. Now let's focus on XRP, as that is what the video is on today. So in the previous videos we talked about XRP shorts from the 0.5 area here on the fair value gap, which hit and which we took profits on already in the previous few videos and also in the Discord. Now, just to quickly preface, if you do want to be getting trades every single day, then check out the Discord down below, because we are crushing it in there every single day with our futures picks and spot picks also. So make sure to check it out. I will leave a link to it in the description. But back to XRP, we can see it's obviously dumped and saw a little bit of a reversal here from this green zone, which we also mentioned in the previous video. Now, we mentioned that this is going to be sort of the area that we're going to be looking to buy XRP at, but I also mentioned in that video that we're going to be looking at other altcoins also, and if other altcoins have fallen with XRP and if they're looking at a similar buying sort of position but with more upside, then we're going to be buying them. So we're going to focus on XRP and see whether it can continue to pump or not. Now, this previous level was obviously used slightly over here on this candle right here. It's been quite strong in the past with, on the daily chart, if we check here, bounced here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times with a small bounce before breaking through, 6 times. It really just uses this level to bounce, and the bottom Fibonacci obviously being 0 here, that's really sort of no man's land for XRP. And the reason I don't really like holding or buying XRP, I have been holding for many years, ever since its all-time high at like $3. And the reason XRP has sort of died down is because the hype is not there anymore. A lot of cryptos are fueled by hype, and XRP simply does not have that anymore. It's been consolidating for over a year now. Obviously, it won the SEC lawsuit, which, in the previous years, everyone was saying that that's the only thing holding it back, and when it wins, it's going to hit $5, $10, $15. But obviously, nobody took into account the market cap that was putting out those huge price targets, and when we won the SEC lawsuit, we hit 93 cents, which I think for a lot of people was sort of unsatisfactory, to put it into words, as we were already at like over $1 in 2022 and 2021, and even nearly hit $2 in the previous bull market. So now that we won the SEC lawsuit, we only hit 93 cents. It's absurd. And again, with the SEC appeal, that's the next thing that was holding it back. Again, SEC lost, and we continued to dump. So really, there's not much left for XRP. It's not got much negative catalysm left in it, and the main issue is the community, because they're so biased towards XRP that they're just going to continue holding. They're going to continue spreading rumors and insane price targets, but they're not buying. And we'd know if they're buying because we'd see better price action, at least to the upside. And because of the huge bias that these XRP holders have, it allows whales to manipulate them and trade against them. So like we saw leading up to the SEC appeal day, what these essentially whales were doing was pumping the price up, and then whilst the price was pumped up, that led to FOMO from the holders. They'd buy in a bit more, thinking that some news came out about the SEC appeal, and then the whales would dump. They did it once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times. They continued to do it because they saw it was so easy to do. Then the SEC obviously didn't appeal, and they stopped because the hype sort of died down. So it's very easy to trade against them, and that's what we essentially have to try and do. So we have to think more like the whales and less like the holders. Now, that means that we shouldn't necessarily be looking to buy at this area like we talked about previously, but also because a lot of other altcoins are also going to continue to fall down, and they're going to be at much more attractive areas than XRP is, and the returns are going to be way more attractive. So we may as well just use our capital better and invest in those projects and find trades on those projects. So we're not going to be looking for longs yet on XRP. I think the next area really we should be looking to buy XRP at, maybe this 40 cent area right here, which is like a 20% drop from where it's at right now. and even the upside isn't that brilliant. I think the upside is going to be maybe 50% at tops, and that's really difficult to get to with XRP, especially now that there's not that hype driving it. Whereas with other coins, if we look at the AI narrative like Render, Fetch, API3, a lot of these coins have got the hype behind them, and as soon as there's a bit of buying momentum on there, they'll just continue to pump and drive price further. So I think it's very important that you look at what your portfolio is looking like and what your trades are looking like, and that you diversify accordingly. And also, if you're looking for futures trades, you may as well just look for coins that are slightly more hyped up, unless your trading strategy does involve just trading sort of these consolidation patterns, which sometimes can work, but on these higher time frames it is very, very difficult. Because again, these whales can manipulate the price very, very easily. So and definitely be watching out for that. But if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Again, if you want to be getting trades every single day, then check out the Discord down below. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade XRP, then check out all the exchanges we're working with down below also. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.